Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombiebargainhunter, and today I have a huge plush haul to show you. I went to this thrift store, well, 3 thrift stores around 3 weeks ago. I did a video on that, but this is the rest of that thrift haul. I have one huge bag that's right here. And I have 2 mystery bags to go through, so we have a lot to go through, so let's get started. Let's start with the first one since I have it up here. Yeah, I've been super busy with the huge box I got from America's Thrift Supply, so I have not even touched these at all. Well, as you can see, it's completely sealed. First one we have what is this? Precious Memory Tender Tales, little plush. Probably not gonna get more than like $16 for her, but cute little beaver. Minnie Mouse, but she's super dirty. I'll see if I can get her cleaned up. I will wash her, and hopefully I can find Mickey Mouse to put her with because she's so small. She's not gonna sell for much. We have a Harry and David little moose. Guess you can get like $15 for it. It does have a gift card holder. I don't know if anybody really cares. Oh, you can't really take it off because it's connected to the sweater, so I guess $15. It is the Harry and David like mascot. We got a llama. Llama's been pretty popular. Like, oh, there's a squeaker in it. Yeah, too bad it's it's ripped open. But I will fix that. I have the fabric fusion. I still got to do a video on how to fix it or repair all these guys for you. It's super easy once you get the hang of it. I know a lot of people have been having trouble, so I will do a video whenever I have a chance. But the llama, probably about $18 once I repair his backside. We have a Get Well bear. Not gonna get more than $15 for him. Not terribly special, but someone will want it because they don't have time to go out and shop. They'd rather have you just deliver it, so still get $15 for it. Daisy, so small, again, only like $15. Eden Duck. This is Little Bear Beanbag. I am not familiar with it. Eden is a very good brand, so maybe we can get $20 out of it. I'm not sure, but I will have to look it up. See, the tag is, so it's a really nice plush, but it's small, so who knows. Another one of these guys. We got a little tiny bunny rabbit. Nothing special. Hopefully I can find some other little things to put with it. I guess Harry and David got rid of a lot of their plush. I don't know what's going on here. That's the third one of that guy. They have a little dog. There's some weird thing going on here. Looks like there was a talk box or, yeah, something that made a move that they removed, so he's dead. Unless you want him as like a dog toy or something. Another one of these. Got a regular moose. His name is... Oh, this is a souvenir. That's not his name. It's the name of the brand. But yeah. Nothing more than like maybe $16 because he's a little bit bigger and he's a little shinier. And we got another one of these. So I have a whole family of those things. Got a little classic Thai dog. He's really cute, so probably like $18, I'm guessing. Christmas dog. He's filthy. Really bad, and it's on the white, so I'm not... Since he's so tiny, I'm not dealing with it. Sriracha bottle, probably looking about $17, $18 I'll list them at. Pound Puppy, it's one of the smaller versions. The bigger versions you can get like $20 or so for. The smaller ones you're probably looking about 15. Maybe I can find another one and put like a lot for 25. I usually have a bunch of those, but been selling them lately, so. Having a love you mom. Again, stuff like this, you're only going to get like $15, $16 for it. Oh, we have Al from Winnie the Pooh. Too bad it's a smaller version. You can see it's super tiny. But I still believe you can probably get like 18 for him. People love Winnie the Pooh. Oh, I thought that was the rabbit from Winnie the Pooh. It's not. It's just a generic rabbit. I might put it with this one, and we'll make some kind of lot and sell for like 20 bucks once I get enough to put them together. We have Animal Adventure Christmas Bear, about 16 bucks. That one's really well made. You can feel the quality on that guy. Now we have, what the heck is this guy? Why does he have like a parrot beak on him? What is this guy? He is ripped right here, so I will have to repair him. It's an easy repair. You just put the glue right around here, and then you smush it down with and hold it. So, super easy repair. Once I figure out what this guy is with this parrot beak on him, let me know in the comments. I don't remember ever seeing a seal or walrus with a parrot beak. My Little Pony. Hello Kitty. Again, I'll find something else to put with it. We got a Hulk, super tiny. I think it's one of those Funko ones. No, it's just a generic tiny Hulk. Again, I'll have to find some other superheroes to put with it. And we have a dog from Newcomb's. Okay. Yeah. That's it for the first bag. Let me show you these guys. I put him aside. We got the Simpson three-eyed guy. Three-eyed fish. Probably about $30 for him. We have whatever this thing is. I thought it was cool, so I bought it. I think I paid like 99 cents for it. This was all purchased on half off day. So, not sure what he is. He's UCI Happy Holidays Soft Plush Animal. I guess he'd probably at least 25 for him. Let's go. We have the Coco Dog. When this guy released, he was super hard to find. Get this tag off. I paid $2.50 for him. I paid up around, I think it was, 2 years ago when Coco came out. This guy was going for like $50, $60. I'm sure he's not going for that much anymore. I'm figuring still about $30, maybe $35, but I have to look him up. But yeah, he was going for some crazy prices right after the movie came out. We have I Love You Right Up to the Moon and Back. He's a bigger version. I have some listed for 20, been selling them for 20, but this one I'm sure can get good 30 because he's a nice larger size. What else we have? We have whatever this monster is. This is a Chris Moose. He's a funky looking Chris Moose. If I remember correctly, these guys can go for some good money. I paid $2 for him, so I paid up for him. I'm thinking around $30, maybe a little bit higher. I'm hoping. Get this bag up here so you can see what else I got. We have a dress with that's a Disney character on it. I can't think of her name right now, but yeah, I will sell this dress separately. I will take it off because she has nice hearts on her. The Build-A-Bear I'll probably put up for 25. The dress alone I'll put up for 20. So I'll make some good money on that. We have the Lego Kitty. I just sold one. I believe I got $20 for the Lego Kitty. Skillimals. You can see it was $1.99, so it's half off, so $1. We got the Skillimals. These can go for some good money. Some of them go for like, the bigger versions would go for like 25, 30. This one I'm not sure of the character. I've never had this character with a scarf, so I'm still hoping for 25, even though he's smaller than the normal versions. We have a little Squishmallow. Probably looking at 20 for him. We have a big Moana doll. Oh, what's wrong with her face? Why does she... her face looks messed up. Yeah, squish it back into place. Probably looking at a good 20 for her. I did pay $2 for her. We have a Lovey with tags all over it. I'm not sure if it's an official taggy or not. Nah. I'll look at it after I'm done with the video. But easy 20, 25 on this bunny rabbit. It's a really nice feel, and it's got the like silky surround on it, and it's got a nice undersize too, so really nice. This is Barnsey. Who is this Barnsey guy? Barnsley exclusive properties of Barnes & Noble. Yeah, okay, that's why I bought it. I'm like, why did I buy a regular brown bear? But yeah, it's exclusive Barnes & Noble bear, so probably looking about 20, 25 on him. And what else do we have in this bag? We have, let's open this one up. We got one of these thumb suckers. Don't remember its name, but it says Cookie on the wristband, and yeah, it's just one of those weird face thumb suckers. I recognize these all the time. I've never had this one. I've had a bunch of the other ones, but never this exact one. So hopefully about 20, maybe 25 on him. I'm not sure, but he or she has really cool eyes. We have one more mystery bag to go through, and then I'll let you go. We have no. We have wet pets. Not familiar about what this guy is, but it has a happy face underneath. Maybe get 15. Maybe. I'm just guessing on that one. I have never seen that one. We have a happy birthday husky. It says celebrate plush. Nothing special on them, but people do like huskies. I might just throw them up for 15 and see if I get somebody to buy them. We have one of these weird penguin bird type creatures. Look at about $18 on him. Wonder Woman. Oh, it's Wonder Woman with one of the PVC heads, so might be worth more than I thought. I thought this was just a plush in the bag, because all I saw was a Wonder Woman outfit right here. But looking at 18 for her. Hopefully, I don't know how wobbly her head's supposed to be, but yeah. We got no. Let's get rid of that. And oh, we got a cute little Lindsay lion. See, the eyes are really nice. So, I'm looking about 16 on him. Curious George. Last one of this one, I believe I sold for 20, so but look about the same price on him. What is this guy? We got a Kelly Toy ghost demon creature. I have no idea. I will look him up. I'm not sure if he's worth a lot or worth nothing. We have a brown Hello Kitty. This is the Hawaiian version, I believe. Maybe I'll list it with that little one, just to get rid of the little one, because the little one's kind of useless. We have that. No, we don't want that. Barbie 59. I have never seen a Barbie big head doll, so hopefully you can get 20 out of her. That's from the Dollar Tree, so no on that. We have Union Bank, Year of the Pig 2019. I guess that's Year of the Pig. It has black marker on the ear. Yeah, so I'm just going to get rid of it. It's not worth my time trying to either cut off the black marker or get it off. It's just not worth my time. We have a little puppy dog with hearts on its paws. Super small, so not worth more than like 15. Maybe I can lot it up with something else. Got like a ball penguin. Sell for like 15 again. We have one of these guys. These always have a necklace, so without his necklace, he's not worth much. Hopefully, maybe the necklace is in here. I don't see it, but got this guy, so I will put these two together and put them up for like 20 bucks. Hopefully we can get $20 for the pair of these little penguins. We have a Bun Bun Bunny. Again, not more than $16. And this bag alone, I think I paid, let me see. I paid $2 for this whole bag, so any one of these guys sell, I've got my money back. We have a rainbow little hamster. Really cute. You can see the glitter on its feet. So easy 18 on that little glitter hamster. And last but not least, we have stuffed animal house beaver guy. Didn't I have another beaver over here somewhere? Maybe I'll just lot them up. But yeah, super cute. You can see it has really nice looking paws. So it'll sell. I mean, it's not going to sell for a ton of money. Maybe like $16. But anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Please give the video a thumbs up. Oh, a cord. Subscribe if you're new. And don't fiddle fart around. Get all your listings up. Got a bunch to list now. Take care, guys. Bye.